Hey guys, this is ElQuamie, and I want to show you how to maximize your Samsung Galaxy S9 or the S9 Plus. So I got this phone a couple of months ago, and I've been using it for some time now, and I think it's a pretty cool phone. So I want to teach you how to maximize yours, because I know a couple of people who have the phone, but they can't really use it, okay? So to start off, let's talk about Bixby, okay? So Samsung have their own personal assistant in the phone called Bixby. Now, it works just like Google's Assistant or Siri if you want to do that comparison. But the thing is, a lot of us in Africa, especially in Ghana here, we don't know how to use Bixby. But Samsung puts it in the phone anyway. So if you don't know how to use it or you don't want to use it, then what you have to do is to deactivate it. Okay? So if you go onto your home screen and you swipe left, the Bixby card's open for you. Now, if you don't want to see it anymore, what you have to do is to turn it off. But how do you turn Bixby off from your home screen? So you go back to your home and you pinch your screen. Now, when your three home pages open for you, depending on how many pages you have on your home page, and you swipe left, you see that the Bixby section is over there. But at the top of the section, there's a blue button that is labeled Bixby Home. Now, all you have to do is to turn that button off. There you go. Now, when you swipe back to your home page and you select your home screen and then you try swiping left, you see that Bixby is turned off. Now, let me move on to wallpapers, okay? One of the things that a lot of us don't know is that wallpapers affect how your phone looks, and it also affects how your phone works. People don't know this, but I'm telling you, the size of the wallpaper that you have on your home screen affects how your phone will perform, because it is a photo that you are putting on the home screen. Okay, now maybe you might have taken a picture, all right, and you picked it from your gallery and you made it your wallpaper, but the photo size is big, say 4 MB or up. It can affect the speed of navigation on your home page. So what you want to do is to get a cool wallpaper provided by Samsung. How do you do it? You go to settings. Samsung has wallpapers and themes, so you select wallpapers and themes. All right, then when you come here, you just select any of these wallpapers. All of these are optimized for mobile, so there's no way it will affect how your phone speed will work. So all you have to do is select one of it, either you download it or however you want it to be. You choose one and then you do that. So let's just say I want to make this shine my wallpaper, and the good thing is it is 844.2 kilobytes, means it's less than 1 MB, so there's no way it will slow up my home screen's performance. So I click download and voila, it downloads real quick, and I select apply. Now when I click apply, it asks me whether I want to apply to just my home screen or to just my lock screen, or I want to use it for both home and lock screens, but I want it to be just my home screen. So I'll select home screen, and then it shows me how it would look like. And there's also the motion effect, which I can select. I can turn it off or I can turn it back on, but I want it to be on, so I'll just keep it like that. And then I press set as wallpaper, and now wallpaper applied to home screen. Now, another thing that you can do that some of us don't really do is to use videos as our lock screens. Now, when you go to the same area, wallpapers and themes, well, all you have to do is to search for video. All right, so video, search for video. And now Samsung has a lot of videos in their themes pack, which is optimized for mobile as well. So all you have to do is to select one of it which really looks cool, and you download it and you make it your lock screen. But I love this guy with the spectacle and all the pebbles around. So I want to use it as my lock screen. So all I have to do is download it and apply. I've already downloaded it, so I click apply, and then it shows me how my home screen or my lock screen is going to look like when I apply it. So when I press set as wallpaper, now it says wallpaper applied to lock screen. So let me go home and show you how it would look like. So I turn it off and I turn back on my lock screen, and there you go, voila, my wallpaper is beautiful and my lock screen is also beautiful. It's a beautiful video that is sitting there on my lock screen. So let me go back home and we continue how to do this. Now, another thing that you can use to optimize your phone is by organizing your apps and icons. Okay, I've seen people who have a lot of apps sitting on their home screen. When you swipe left and right, you can see they have too many apps and it's jumbled all over the home screen, and it doesn't look aesthetically beautiful. Now what you want to do is to organize it well. So for instance, my frequently used apps are my browsers, right? So if I want to put all my browsers on my home screen so I can choose between whichever I want to use at any point in time, all I would do is not put all of them onto my home screen at once, right? I will put them in a folder. How do I create a folder? I will tap and hold it, and it gives me the option to either select items, add to home, or uninstall it. But what I want to do is to select items. I'll press select items. Now my Edge is already selected, so I'll look for my other browser, which is Chrome, and then Samsung's Internet, and I have another private browser called Tenta. So Tenta browser is it. So once I'm done, I will create folder, and then all my 4 browsers are put in one folder. Now I can give it a name. Today I want to call it ElQuamie browser. Great. Now that's my browsers folder right there. But another good thing is that I can color code this folder that I've just created. Okay. Now when I press the white thing that you can see over there, it gives me other colors that I can choose to use as my folder's color. I can choose blue, or I can choose green. I can choose orange, or I can choose yellow. Or Samsung has given us a multiple color wheel that we can choose any color we are looking for, use it as our folder's color. But let me go back there and then maybe choose the white because I'm fine with it. Okay, now when I go back to my menu, there you have it over here. There you go. So that is it. My browser is sitting over there. Now if I want to put this on my home screen, all I have to do is to tap and hold again, and then I'll drag it to the top, and that's my home screen, and I drop it there. So now I have my browsers folder on my home screen, and my home screen is still organized. It doesn't look cluttered or anything of that nature. Now let me round this up by teaching you a little tip or trick about how to speed up your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus or S9. Now when you go back to settings, you scroll down to about phone, right? You click that. Now in about phone, you see your phone's name. My phone's name is ElQuamie S9 Plus. You can also see your mobile phone number. You see the phone's model number. You see your serial number, your IMEI, and other stuff. What I'm looking for here is my software information. So I'll click software information. And what I want to do is to activate developer mode. It is in developer mode that I can tweak things to speed up my phone. Right. What I'm looking for is build number. So now build number is right there. So I have to tap it as many times as possible to activate developer mode. So there you go. And then developer mode has been enabled. Okay. Now how do I see it? I go back to my settings page and I scroll all the way down, and developer options is right here right now. Now I go into developer options, and what I'm looking for is my drawing session. So let's go to drawing. In drawing, there is animation stuff over here. So there's window animation scale, there's transition animation scale, there's animator duration scale. These are the things that affect how fast or slow you will navigate through the tabs on your phone, and how fast you will navigate through stuff on your home screen. Okay, how fast or slow your home screen will work. Now what we want to do is to change the animation skills speed, which currently is set to 1x. We cut it into half so that it would be faster to load things on my home screen. So when I open the window animation scale, see it is 1x. Now if I select anything below 1x, it would make it more slower. So I want to select 0.5x, which will make it a bit more faster. Now same to transition animation scale, I select 0.5x. Now animation duration scale as well, I select 0.5x. Now once this is done and I go back to my home screen, see how fast it went. Now see how fast this came up. Now look at how fast my tabs are opening. That's how fast my tabs are opening. Same, all because I cut my transition animation skills and window animation skills to half. And this is how you can speed up your phone, and your phone will even be in beast mode. Thank you for watching, and let's look forward for my subsequent videos, and I'll be giving you more tips and tricks on how to maximize your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus.